Hey, what's going on, Graceville, Texas? I have a really quick video to highlight changing out your dome lights on the FJ Cruiser. As you can see here, I have these lights that were shipped in from AUTOONE. They're red, which I really wanted to try out because I wanted to get something that was better for nighttime visibility. And they have a 360 projection capability, so there's actually LEDs on the front, top, and side. I'll show you those real quick. They have a different chip in them than typical LED lights, so it's supposed to be a lot brighter. So let's go ahead and get those in the FJ and see how those look. So as you can see right here, they have a LED chip on the front, and that helps give you great visibility, and then all around them, so it's 360-degree visibility. Let's go ahead and pop these in and see how bright they are. So we're here in the front of the FJ, and I have another light on right now, but basically there's two dome lights here in the FJ. So I'll turn this light down so you can see how unbright they are. Two simple dome lights, both white, and let me close this other door. And what our objective is to turn these red so that when you're in certain circumstances where you don't want to lose your night vision, red is going to be a better option. And if they're brighter red, it's going to work perfectly well to see what you need in your cabin. Let's get this light back on. And then to take out these dome lights, you can use a simple trim tool piece or a flathead screwdriver just to go ahead and pop out this little dome light. It has to be a really thin one, because if it's too fat like this one, it may not work that well, but I think I got it. So as soon as you pop that out, you just pull out little dome light, which this one's a very old one that I've had. It's hard to see, but it's just a very old LED light that's not that bright anymore. So I'll take that out, grab the new one from AUTOONE, pop it in, and you want to make sure that when you put it in, you test it out before putting the plastic piece back on. This should fit. It's a little bit thicker. Looks like the same type of light though. There we go. All right, it's in. And we'll just go ahead and pop off this other side since we have that off right here. It'll be even easier to take off. And then, yeah, so this older LED, you can see a big difference between the AUTOONE has like a lot smaller but brighter and more LEDs along the side. I don't know if you can see that, but we'll show you real quick. So as I was saying, if you look at these two LEDs right here, this is the new one, this is the old one. So looking at the AUTOONE, it's just a lot more of a higher quality, and look at all the different LED lights along there. Then if you look at this older one, you can see just the difference right there. It has a lot different looking LEDs that don't seem a lot out of date and cheaper build. So let's get this AUTOONE in. And from what I was showing you, the dome lights, after you pop off those covers, it's really simple. Just putting them in. See, that one's empty. And then this is basically testing it to make sure it works. So to get it back in, it's a matter of just sliding in one end right here and then just popping it back in, and you'll hear the two clicks. Once that happens, you turn them on and then you get super brightness. So let's turn off this other light and then we'll see how bright this is. And I'll turn off my porch lights as well. So far it's looking pretty good. I'll show you how much light it puts in the cabin. Let's see how bright these red lights are. Let's do one. So this is just with one on. You can see how bright that is. Just from one is even brighter than the white one, but it's red, so it's not really affecting my night vision. And if I hit on both of them, it's lighting up the front of the FJ very well. The AUTOONE LED lights, very impressive. A lot more 360 visibility. Hopefully I can get some for the back of the FJ. Maybe just red out the whole cabin, because this gives me a lot of light here. Like, I can see pretty well, and I'm pretty impressed and happy with these map lights in here, allowing me to see a lot more of what I'm doing. Got my phone on there, and you know the rest of the equipment. So make sure you subscribe. Greatest of all Texas. The link will be in the bio for the AUTOONE lights, and you can check them out on my Amazon store. Thanks for watching.